Hi, I'm Jordan Jenick with Modine Manufacturing Company, and today I'll be showing you how to use the terminal strip we provide for field wiring connections. To wire any field connections to the terminal strip, you will first need a narrow flathead screwdriver, as shown. To open a terminal, press the screwdriver firmly into the square opening until it seats. Then insert your stripped wire into the round opening until it bottoms out. Remove the screwdriver and your wire is now snug and secure. To remove the wire, repeat the same process by seating the screwdriver into the square seat and gently releasing the wire. For more info, please visit www.modinehvac.com.